Hello guys, welcome back to the HTML series, and today we're gonna learn about how can we create the table, and we are going to create this kind of table today. And so without further ado, let's get started. So we are in the Visual Studio Code. We can open our Visual Studio Code, and to create a table it's pretty easy. So first thing that we need to do is we just have to write the basic HTML code, that is doc type and HTML, and we have to write the HTML, and we also close the HTML, and within the HTML we write head, we close the head, and within the head we write title of our website. We just give the table is the title of our website, and after the head we write the body, and within the body we just want to give the heading of the our web side, and I just give table, and we close the h1 and give just a tag for giving the underline underneath the heading. And now we just write the code per table, and to create a table we simply write the table, and we close the table, and after table we write the row, and in the table we have the row. As you go back to our table, we have the row, 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. So we also close the row of the table, and within the row we have to give column. In this first row we have the 1 column, 2 column, and 3 column. So we just write column, that is we simply write the if you notice here, heading of this table, first row of the table is bold, so this is the heading of the table. So we just simply write the TH for the heading of the table, and we write first name, and we close, we close TH, and similarly we write last name, and we close it, and finally we have age, and we also close this heading of the table. And now if we notice that we have the next row as well, 2 next row, so we also create next row, table row, and we close the table row, and within table row we give data. We have the in this row we have the James Smith and 26 age, so we have to give data of the table. For that we write table data td, and simply we write any name Adam, and we close table data again. We have to give the last name, that is td, and Adam, then we close the data, and again last one we have the age. What we give td, and age is just 23, and td, close the td. And if we save here, save, and we give file name as table, just table.html, and I just want to give within our previous folder that we did before. Just want to give save here, And if we go back to our desktop and go to our website, and we can see the table, and here we can see our table. And this one is first name is our first name, last name, and age. They are the heading of the table. And we can see the Adam, Jane, and 23 are the data. And again, what we can do if we want to add extra data in our table, simply we again create a table row, and then we just close that, and we add table data, and we write something Simon, and again we again write last name Simon with, and we write the TD, and we give as 25. Let's save it, and let's refresh our web page. And if we refresh, we can see next data, and similarly we can do like that. And I hope guys you have understand how can we create the table. It is pretty easy. We just write the table and give row, and within the row we keep headings, and again we create row, and we enter data corresponding to our row. Within a row we have 1, 2, and 3 column, and similarly we also put 1, 2, 3 and column, and similarly we can do that. And if we want to add extra data in our table, we can again write the row and close it, and within the row we write the same data. I hope guys you have learned about the how can we create the table. If you like this video, you can click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please smash the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.